Hello everyone, welcome to Hindustan Times. This is me, Sneha Biswas, and today I have Rakul Preet Singh with us. And congratulations, Rakul, first of all for Chhatriwali because it's there on the OTT platform on the it's on the topmost slot I think for a really long time. It released on 20th. So how does it feel?
It feels great. Thank you so much. And of course, anytime your film gets that acceptance and love and appreciation, it feels great. And especially, with Chhatriwali being extremely special because of the sensitive topic that it is and the kind of messages we've got from women, men, my social media. Every day I get messages of for saying thank you. This is such an important subject. I could show it to my husband. I'll show it to my kids. So I think that just sort of makes you happier.
So the film, it in the film, I saw your character. She was a bit hesitant to take up the job of that, a condom quality tester. So I want to know what about you, Rakul, in real life when the film came to you, how did you react to it?
No, I thought it was a very important subject. And see, if I'm reluctant, nobody can force me to do something. I have
Yeah.
to believe in the subject because I have to perform it. And I really like the idea. And then whatever questions I had, I asked the director at that very point, because it has to be handled very sensitively. Because you are telling people about something which is normal, but the way of telling to still keep it family audience viewing. So all those questions I had, and I think he did a great job with making sure that the film can be viewed by a family. And I had no hesitance. I really, really believed in the subject.
As I was watching the film, there was this one scene where, during that, I think biology class, and then girls and boys are being taught separately and stuff like that. So I remember even reading about your experience with sex ed. You said that you all girls were like all giggly and just wanted the class to end and stuff and that. So if I have to ask, if you have to give that, the talk to anyone for that matter, do you think you would do how do you think you would do things little different?
If I had to be the teacher,
Yeah.
well, I've
Or
done
maybe
it
just give,
as
or maybe just
no,
as
but
a
as
parent.
Sanya, I think the problem is when we don't speak, when we go round and round and we don't talk facts as facts. And I think that's Sanya's approach. I mean, it's as simple as you'll call your heart a heart, so you'll call your uterus a uterus only, na.
Yeah.
Matlab, it's the more we normalize conversations, the more we present it as scientific facts, the more normal it'll become. I think somewhere as a society, I don't know where the difference comes, because the schools have it as a curriculum. But still, I don't know what made us laugh at that time. Now, when I look back, I'm like, why were we giggly and, why were we so.
Yeah.
So I think it's somewhere the society is conditioning on our minds, which if that needs to be changed, then that needs to start from home,
Hmm.
where awareness about your body is important. There's a difference between being aware of yourself and exploiting yourself. You're not exploiting yourself. You have to be aware about yourself.
So has it ever happened to you? Have you been in a situation where you have to give the talk to anyone, probably your niece or nephew or anyone for that
No,
matter?
no, 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 that never happened to me.
Okay. So, moving on, the movie, it talked a lot about, I think, the importance of sexual health because, so a lot of celebrities, you'll find that they talk about the importance of mental health. And I think as a person realize that sexual health can also, impact your mental health. Uh,
Absolutely.
yeah.
Any form of any disbalance in health will affect all three forms.
There are some lines in the film which I think some people found like they didn't like the line, or maybe they found it little regressive. So there was this one line, let me read it out. So there was this one line called हमारे पति homemade रसगुल्ला खाएंगे वो भी जैसा उन्हें पसंद है, in context to unprotected sex. So some people found it little regressive. So what do you have
How
to
do
say
you
about
tell
this?
them? how do you tell them if you cannot use the word sex and say that हम तो वैसे ही करेंगे जैसे कि मतलब you have to tell them, right? So
Hmm.
it has been made, the words that are used are made in a way that you can watch with the family and not feel uncomfortable, because the whole problem in the first go is that you don't address the words there the way they are supposed to be addressed, right? So the point has to come across. As long as, see, people will have, some will like, some will not like.
Yeah.
Our endeavor as a film is to cater to maximum lot by making them understand and still not make it cringy, that other you're sitting with your kids who are teenagers who need to know this.
Yeah.
They need to know, that's the age at which awareness or education begins. So if you are sitting as a family, then we have to make you comfortable with the language we're using, but you have to put across the point.
And especially since you mentioned about these words, just to portray the whole thing without making the audience uncomfortable. So I personally found this word chhatri wali, or the umbrella thing, which is used so much. It little cringy. What do you have to say about it? Even I think your character, there's this one scene where your character says ki chhatri nahi condom.
Correct. So this is taken from the society, Sneha. As in,
Hmm.
if you are aware, I'm sure you must be aware also that condoms are said used as helmet as a name, chhatri as a name,
Yeah.
raincoat, God knows what all names. So Abhi, the connotation came from there that she's working in an umbrella factory that she has worked in, that she's working in, and she's called chhatri wali.
Yeah.
Now I don't understand what is cringy in chhatri wali. It's the mind. You
Hmm.
can, anybody who finds anything cringy, like the thought process begins from your mind. And I feel that if your mind is not in the right place, you'll find things a little off or cringy or whatever. So I feel it's the connotation that लोग तो दुनिया तो ऐसे ही बोलती है ना, तो उनको उसी लैंग्वेज में सिखा रहे हैं.
Hmm. True.
Can't title the film Condom Tester. Then they'll say, oh, ऐसा कैसा title रख दिया. So
Of
you,
course.
yeah. So when the society addresses condoms as chhatri, so
Hmm.
pick up and say chhatri wali. Again, answering your question, you have to make them understand in a language that everybody understands.
Would you like to share one response when Chhatriwari released something from someone that was probably you read it and you felt like, oh my god, this is the best response.
Oh, so many, so many. I shared a couple of messages even on my social media
Yeah,
where
yeah, yeah.
people. There was this one girl lady who said that I'm so glad that you made this film, and I showed it to my husband because she was having pills.
Okay.
And she said that I'm so glad that a film like this has come and people are talking about it, because till the time you're not in that boat, really, you may not connect with it. But trust me, you and me sitting in air conditions are not the people who are suffering from a lack of choice or opinion. There are the masses who are really, they don't have a voice, they don't know how to tell their partners, they are harming themselves in the process, they're not even aware that it's not right. So we got a couple of messages like that. There was somebody who said, I'm going to screen it in my tuition. Somebody already screened it to the school children. So things like that. And even if one, two people do it, I think along with making a film, if you can influence two people's minds and save those two lives from damage, then it's a win-win.
Totally, totally. And would you like to share one memory from the making of the film?
Why only one? यार ऐसे थोड़ी होता है, मतलब 50 मेमोरी कैसे हो सकती है, मुझे बता.
Because time short है, so I thought maybe you just
never understand this question. What is that one memory? Where one memory? I just think that the whole process of this film was a lot of fun. My director also, everybody was working out very early in this film. So I remember that we used to have burpee competitions on set.
Okay.
Me and my director and whoever else was game to do it. So it was, yeah, it was a lot of fun. And everyone came with the right mind space to shoot the film.
Now you tell me that what's in the pipeline, for the audience after
So there
Chhatriwari.
are two films in Hindi that will release this year, and then there are two in Tamil.
So, we saw you in Chhatriwali, and then before that you were there in Dr. G. So all these two films, they talked about such important issues, one dealing with a male gyno, and then now the condom tester. So are you going to consciously now pick up projects which are going to, talk about?
Before that, I was also in Katputli. Before that, I was also in Runway and Thank God and Attack, which were got nothing to do with this. So I think there's nothing like that. If there is a good script, and if it talks about a subject, great. If not, I want to do my commercial Nach Gana normal films also. So I don't think that's the thought. It's always about what really strikes you at that particular point. So I want to do everything. I want to do this and that.
So many variety of film, citing example of Thank God, Katputli, and even Attack for that matter. So, like, do you think that with these film you have now, outgrown, the tag of, the tag of being girl next door characters in film?
But when did I have that tag? Who gave me that tag? मुझे तो ये tags का पता ही नहीं है. I don't know about any tag that people are giving me. And in fact, I wasn't a girl next door. People thought I was glam after Dede Pyar Te. In fact, Dr. G and Chhatriwali have put in the girl next door image. And I don't think there is any tag. It's only if you believe it in your head. As an actor, our job is to bring about versatility, to be another character than what I am. So I could be a city girl, but if I am playing Sanya of Chhatriwali or Dr. Fatima of Dr. G or Tanya Albuquerque of Runway, they are extremely different characters and they're not me. And that's the beauty of our profession, and that's what I'd like to do. I don't think I'm in any slot, and wouldn't want to be in any. Like I said, I want to do the Masala Nach Gana commercial also, and I want to do films which are different and hard hitting as well.
Thank you so much for giving me your time.